particular virtual reality training experience allows you to view the traffic control plan instructions and then build it in a virtual environment. Once you have studied your traffic control plan, you are able to grab the items off of the bookshelf and place them onto the proper position in your virtual work zone. The bookshelf holds TMAs, cones, barrels, flaggers, signage with different messages, etc. Building a traffic control plan in a virtual environment gives you the experience and confidence to perform these operations in a real-world situation, which reduces the chances of injury and error in the work zone. This hands-on learning experience immerses you in a 360-degree training simulation that greatly increases learning retention and in return will improve the performance of your workers. In this virtual reality experience, you are able to compare the traffic control plan instructions with the work zone you are building to give you a visual representation of what it should look like on the road. Once you finish setting up your traffic control plan, you may click the Check Setup button, which grades you on your performance. This is extremely beneficial because you are able to fix any mistakes in the virtual environment rather than making those mistakes in an actual work zone.
Put on a headset and see for yourself.